Beautiful. So, that's BR. And let's do a little bit of it. I don't think she had any food there. No. Nope.
Come have a look. Zoomed in as far as we can be?
Yeah.
Oh, there's our girl. Oh, it's so nice to see you up there in person. I'm trying to... Oh, there it is.
What?
Where she is.
No.
See her?
No. Right in that corner light pole.
Well, here, look here. You can see her there. And there's a bird flying behind it.
Oh, yeah, okay.
I'm sorry.
So, see this brown light tower?
Yes.
And then the one way in the distance.
Oh, I see. Yes, yes.
The little dot there.
Okay. It's easier to see on here.
Yeah,
It's great to see it here.
Okay, it's nice.
She's watching us.
Yeah.
Exactly. She wants
And
to...
you guys came on.
What are you guys doing by my nest is what she's saying. No, she's very happy. She's cleaning up a little bit. Stretch.
Yep, stretching and
Tidying up.
that's
She'll be
right.
back soon. Wow. Wow. It's like so weird. Like for the last 3 years, I've had to watch from whoever was broadcasting or the chat, and now I'm actually here.
It is an amazing
Definitely
thing.
worth the 4.5 hours it took me to get.
Oh, good.
Yeah, and
Oh, my God. Whoa.
Hey!
Oh, she's got something. She's got a little stick. Beautiful. Beautiful. All right. She's got a stick.
Holy. Just for you. Oh, here she comes, Carl.
Oh.
Come on, I was just getting your picture, girl.
She is going to head over up to the tower. Yeah.
Twig, she's coming
That's
back.
right.
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh, here she comes, Carl.
Yeah.
Coming back. Is that in focus? Look at her wings.
Beautiful. Are you going to come back up to the nest? Oh, what you going to do?
Oh, my
Are you showing off for us? Are you showing off for us? Are you just a...
This is the kind of thing Easy would do. He's usually
Here she comes.
she's enjoying the wind.
Yeah. It's getting stretched.
Oh, she's on the.
Oh, wow.
Awesome.
Oh, is she a beauty? Oh, my God.
What magnificence.
Yeah, she's fabulous, isn't she?
Oh, my God. She's
She's
better.
Mulch. She's got a piece of mulch.
Is that what it is? Hopefully it's not
she's very excited
pesticide
about
on
She's very excited about her piece of mulch.
it. She is
Yay,
the
mulch.
best.
Mommy.
Look at her.
Look at you, Mama.
Too bad it's so gray.
I know, everything's backlit around here. That's the problem. You just don't get a lot of sunlight. When it is sunny, it's spectacular.
Hey, our girl. Oh, oops.
Oh, off she goes.
She's giving us an air show.
This is
Isn't it great?
Yeah.
And we haven't seen this for a long time. This is what they do.
She's exercising, actually, probably.
Yeah.
wow, she's real. This is an air show.
It is. It's wonderful. Just for us.
Look at her with her mulch. It's so cute. Oh, Mama, you are. Thank you very much. Everybody
Yeah,
says.
truly.
She's celebrating Nest Fest with us.
Yeah.
Here we
Here
go.
she comes. Oh, my God.
Off
Look
we
at
go.
her.
Yeah, she's got babies and she's got a nest, and up we go.
Yep.
Into the tower. Yeah.
Bring mulch in.
Phew.
That was awesome.
It was.
And she's going to boot Ezra out of the nest.
Poor Ezzy gets so little time.
That's
Get
right.
out of here.
10 minutes and you're out, buddy.
That's right.
And I don't even mean move over, I mean out.
Yep. He does. She doesn't even want him in there.
No snuggling allowed.
That's right.
Get off my babies. I had my exercise and I gave him an air show. Now it's your turn.
All right, what's happening up there?
Get ready. You gonna give us a show now? or
Yeah,
you
because
gonna-
she's going to push it out.
And he might go that way, up Tower Road, and disappear behind Rice Hall. Possibly.
Never run closer than
Right. But that was fantastic.
That was up at the ball.
It just kept giving more and more. She's just like magnificent.
It's like we have a hard time, when we're out here. It's like you're off in the pile. You don't want to stop.
No.
Oh, Daddy, get ready.
Yeah, he's getting booted out.
Hey, Daddy.
As usual, hey Ez. Yes, we love you, Ez. We do.
Here he comes, Carl. You gonna get him coming on? Here he comes.
Yeah. There.
Yeah.
There he is.
There's Daddy.
Same tree that she landed in for just a second.
Yeah, but he's more in the center.
Yeah, more in the center. She was a little bit to the right.
Wow. Quite the show. Very exciting. Oh, he's gonna take off. Carl.
Yep. Are you going to break off a stick?
Oh, good. Good Daddy. He needs to get that odor. Oh, he just broke it, didn't he? Did you hear that snap?
Yep, he's got a twig in his mouth.
Yep. Oh, careful there, buddy. Yeah. Bring it back for your babies. Look at him.
He's so happy.
He just...
He's got a stick in his mouth, his beak. Off we go. Get ready.
Yeah.
He's gonna make me like whirl around.
Oh, Daddy, you are just something.
Shh.
Here we go.
Off we go back up to the nest. Nope, off he goes that way. Oh, where are you going?
Circle around.
Now he's gonna put on a show.
Alright, he's gonna come back. He's near that light pole now. There you go.
Giving us an air show now.
Look at that.
Oh my God. I'm so excited. I feel like crying. I'm so excited. Oh my God. I couldn't have asked for better.
You're right. I know.
Except somebody could get me up there.
True.
You know?
Yeah. He's circling over.
Yeah, that light tower, the way they move in the wind. Oh,
It's a happy daddy flight.
Yep, he's
To have a cigar.
that's right.
Wow, this is just so great.
You gonna come back, Daddy? You going over to
Is it-
Kite Hill?
yeah. We're gonna pause the stream here and come back with a. So this was the aerial show stream.
Yeah,
So
really
we're gonna
well.
pause it and come back and do some chalking in a few.